Hey everyone, Paul here with Gamma Edge. Want to just give you a quick update on some server updates that we did over the weekend here. Really focused on the charting. When you run a chart now, let's just run something like Apple, like we normally do. Things will change a little bit from what you're used to. You're going to see it's actually going to return something that now has got a link, a hyperlink associated with them, and each of the hyperlinks are labeled as such. So one of the key things, the format's changed a little bit, and you can still open up the traditional chart and look at it very quickly. So nothing has changed there, and all the information is a little more prominent now, so you don't have to squint to go see it. What is different now, though, is that we've enabled the ability to interact with the charts. And so now you can drag your cursor and you can actually get different values in here if you choose to do so. The other thing, too, is that you can also zoom. And you can do this multiple times. For instance, if I want to just keep drilling in here, I can drill in as low as I want to get to. And so that's a nice thing. I think that'll help everybody here. I know there's, we do all sorts of different ways of and I double click, by the way, to get back out. We do all sorts of different ways to slice this data. And you can still, of course, if you want, for instance, on Apple, if you wanted to, for instance, let's just run the expiration chart. 07. If you wanted to, let's see, do from say 100 to 150 on a manual type of zoom, you certainly can, and it will allow you to do that. And it'll put the chart out here. Now, when you try to zoom this chart, of course, the data to go out further is not there, so you're going to have a little bit of an issue there when you do this. But bottom line, this should make your life a lot easier. You'll be able to go in, you'll be able to see the different areas and zoom it as necessary, and hopefully that'll make things a little bit easier. Now, what we intend to do is we're going to auto-update these charts automatically. So if you're a gold member, you'll see all the indexes updated with the information, and you'll also see the liquidity watch channels also automatically updated, and that'll be ready for you every morning when you come in, and that should actually help accelerate things and streamline your morning process, your morning review process. All the charts have been updated. So for instance, if you want to go into the history chart, you can do the same thing here. And sure enough, you can, if you wanted to, you could zoom in on as much data as you want. And again, context is provided, so all the information is there. You can really get a good view of where the lines are and what's happening on the overall system. So that's it. Hope you enjoy this. Certainly solicit feedback of what you like about it and what you dislike about it. This is the initial release, so happy to entertain comments, and if we need to make tweaks, happy to look at what those tweaks would be and go in from there. So thanks everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend, and we'll see you in the Discord.